A wash basin isn't just a functional element, it's a design statement in your home. In 2025, wash basin designs are evolving beyond the bathroom. Designers are now incorporating them into dining areas, halls, and open living spaces, blending functionality with modern aesthetics. Imagine a stylish wash basin in your dining hall, not just for hand washing, but as a decorative feature that elevates your home's interior. In this video, we'll explore the latest wash basin designs for 2025, including modern setups in dining rooms and halls, with tips to enhance both style and functionality. 1. Modern wash basin designs. Modern wash basins combine sleek design, smart functionality, and elegance. Wall-mounted basins save space and create a floating, airy look. Countertop basins, stylish and versatile, perfect for open dining areas. Integrated storage, cabinets or shelves below the basin to keep essentials organized. Minimalist shapes, round, oval, or rectangular basins for clean, modern lines. Pro tip: choose a basin that matches the overall theme of your hall or dining room for a cohesive look. 2. Material and finish trends 2025. Material choice is key for modern, stylish basins. Ceramic and porcelain, classic, durable, and easy to clean. Stone and marble adds luxury and sophistication. Glass and metal accents for a contemporary, chic appearance. Matte and glossy finishes. Matte for modern minimalism, glossy for elegance and shine. Pro tip: match the faucet and basin finish with other elements in the room to create harmony. 3. Placement and integration ideas. Placing a wash basin in your dining hall requires both style and functionality. Near dining entrance, convenient for guests to wash hands before meals. Integrated with sideboards, adds a functional feature without taking extra space. Corner installations, perfect for smaller halls or compact dining areas. Standalone design, a beautiful freestanding basin can act as a decorative statement piece. Pro tip: ensure there's enough clearance for easy use and cleaning. For styling and decor tips, wash basins can be decorative as well as functional. Decorative trays and holders store soaps, hand towels, or small decor items. Plants and flowers add greenery for a fresh, inviting look. Accent lighting, wall sconces or LED strips highlight the basin as a design feature. Mirror integration, small mirrors above the basin enhance both style and functionality. Pro tip: keep the area clutter-free. 1 or 2 statement decor items look more elegant than many small objects. 5. Color and theme trends 2025. Modern basins are following clean and harmonious color trends. Neutral tones, white, beige, gray, and soft pastels. Bold accents, dark charcoal, black, or earthy tones for contrast. Natural materials, stone or wood textures blend functionality with a natural aesthetic. Two-tone combinations, for a modern, stylish effect in halls and dining rooms. Pro tip: align basin colors with your dining room furniture or flooring for a polished look. So those were the latest wash basin designs for dining rooms and halls in 2025. From sleek wall-mounted basins to luxurious stone countertop designs, these ideas combine style, functionality, and modern aesthetics. Which design style do you love most? Minimalist floating basins, luxurious stone setups, or chic countertop designs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore my other videos for more modern home interior and design ideas. Remember, a wash basin isn't just for utility, it's a stylish statement that elevates your home's interior.